Hi everyone, welcome back to our JavaScript basics. In the last video, we learned what JavaScript is, how to use console.log, and how to store information we have in variables. So today, we're learning about something super important in programming, which is events. But don't worry, we're not using buttons or web pages. We'll be using simple user input, which is perfect for beginners like us. In programming, an event is something that the user does, and the program reacts to it. So example of an event can be typing something, clicking a button, choosing an answer, or entering any type of information. In Python, remember we used input? So in JavaScript, we use something similar called prompt. This lets our program ask the user a question and react to their response. Let's try using prompt inside our JavaScript console. So I have already typed a code over here. As you can see, I've kept my variable as word, and then I wrote equals to the prompt as type a word, similarly to how we would write input in Python. So after that, it'll print you typed and then the word. So when we run this, basically the browser will ask the user to type something, and then it will show that work back in the console, starting off with you typed. So over here I'm going to type a word. Let's say I'm going to type Code Studio. Okay, so that's my word. I mean, that's two words, but sure. Now I'm going to execute this, and as you can see, it worked. First it told me to type a word, for which I typed Code Studio, and then it printed you typed and then my input, which was Code Studio. So it's that easy. This is our first example of an event. Now let's make our program react in a simple way. We'll ask the user for any word and the program will respond differently. So over here I'm going to type let word equal to prompt say something, and then I'll type console.log you said, and then over here I'm going to type word, which was our variable, and then again I'll type console.log I heard you. Okay, now the reaction is simple. What we're going to do is we're going to type a word over here. So let's say this time I'll type something random, maybe like heart. So over here it's going to be like say something. So I said heart. It said over here you said heart. It understood that I said heart, and then it said I heard you. What if I didn't say anything at all? As you can see, it still said I heard you, because right now we're just learning the basics. In the next video, we'll use logic to change the reaction based on the word. Just like before, variables can store anything the user types. Try this. I'm going to type over here let name equal to prompt what is your name, and then I'll type console.log nice to meet you, and then I'm going to type a comma over here as well with name, because that was the name of our variable. Now the program will take the input to create a custom message. So I'm going to type over here that my name is Nuha, so Nuha, and let's execute the program. So as you can see, first it asked me what my name was, and it executed nice to meet you Nuha while storing it. So this helps kids understand how apps ask for names, ages, and their preference. Now it's time for my favorite part. Let's build our project for today, a word echo machine. So over here I'm going to type let word equal to prompt. So I'm going to type any word here. Okay. Next, I'm going to go to the next line, and then I'm going to type console.log echo, and over here I'm going to type the variable, so word, and the next line console.log, I'm going to type echo. This time I'll type the variable a bit differently, so I'll type word and then dot to upper case. Make sure that the U in upper and the C in case is capitalized, and then I'll put another bracket over here and I'll go to the next line. I'll also type over here console.log, the same thing, first echo and then colon, and I'll type word plus, I'll type exclamation marks over here. Okay, so this program will take the user's word and then echo it back in 3 fun ways. First will be the normal, then second will be in uppercase, and the third will be with a bunch of exclamation marks. So I'm just gonna put over here Nuha to make it simple. Now let's see what happens. So as you can see, first it told me to type the word here. Oh, I typed and word by mistake. My bad. First the word over here, then we have the first echo, which was normal, then the second echo, which was capitalized, and the third one was with a bunch of exclamation marks. So now you know how we can also type in uppercase letters as well. You can also try this out with emojis to make it even more fun. Great job today! You learned how JavaScript reacts to user events using prompt and variables. This is the foundation of an interactive program. In the next video, we learn conditional logic, where our programs make decisions. That means you'll be able to create small quizzes, story games, or programs that react differently based on the user's answer. So, see you all in the next video.